Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can add extensions to your Google Chrome. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Google Chrome, and in order to add any extension, you'll have to go to the extension store right over here on Google. Simply search extension store right like this. And then the first website is going to be the Chrome Web Store, which basically has all the extensions. As you can see, you can also add themes from here, but that's not the topic right now. So let's just say you want to add a ad blocker on YouTube, so you'll just simply search for ad blocker. And finally, once you have done that, as you can see, you'll find one of the ad blockers, and all you have to do is click on add to Chrome, and then it will ask you if you want to add the extension, and click on add. And then congratulations, that is simply how you add extensions to Chrome. And in order to remove it, you simply come back to this page and click on remove from Chrome, and then just remove it. So if you thought this video is informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.